Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon Q in QuickSight is now generally available in 7 additional regions, expanding its global reach to more customers worldwide. This move enables business analysts and decision-makers to leverage natural language capabilities of Amazon Q to quickly extract insights from data, make better decisions, and accelerate their work. The availability of Amazon Q in QuickSight in these new regions reduces latency to access services and helps customers meet data residency compliance requirements. Additionally, the governance and data security features of Amazon Q in QuickSight meet the most stringent requirements for enterprise and government customers, providing a trusted solution for sensitive data analysis. With Amazon Q in QuickSight, users can generate documents, slide decks, and executive summaries explaining data and providing recommendations tailored to their business. The Data Q&A experience empowers users to confidently answer questions of data, even those not covered by existing dashboards. AWS Config now supports 12 additional AWS resource types, providing greater coverage over your AWS environment. This expansion enables you to more effectively discover, assess, audit, and remediate an even broader range of resources. Specifically, the newly supported resource types are AWS Backup Gateway, Hypervisor, which is automatically tracked if you have enabled recording for all resource types. These new additions are also available in config rules and config aggregators, allowing you to monitor the following newly supported resource types in all AWS regions where the supported resources are available: AWS CloudFront Public Key, AWS BCM Data Export, AWS Entity Resolution, ID Mapping Workflow, AWS CloudFormation, Guardhook, AWS S3 Tables, Table Bucket, AWS Entity Resolution, Schema Mapping, AWS IoT Domain Configuration, AWS PCA Connector AD Directory Registration, AWS RDS Integration, AWS Bedrock Guardrail, and AWS Bedrock Knowledge Base. AWS Site-to-Site VPN now supports IPv6 addresses on outer tunnel IPs, making it easier for customers to build or transition to IPv6-only networks. This feature allows customers to configure IPv6 addresses on both inner and outer tunnels of their VPN connection, eliminating the complexity of dealing with cross-IPv4/IPv6 addressing scheme. This capability helps customers reduce their public IPv4 costs as there is no charge for using IPv6 address on the outer tunnel IP. AWS Network Firewall now supports native integration with AWS Transit Gateway for centralized traffic inspection in all AWS regions where both services are available. This integration enables customers to directly attach a network firewall to a transit gateway and easily route traffic between these services for consistent traffic inspection. This feature eliminates the need to manage dedicated VPC subnets and route tables when connecting these services, protecting traffic across entire AWS networks including VPCs and on-premises networks connected via AWS Site-to-Site VPN or AWS Direct Connect. The integration also improves network security and resiliency through automatic multi-AZ redundancy, ensuring continuous service availability across regions. The native integration is available in all AWS regions where both AWS Network Firewall and AWS Transit Gateway are supported. Amazon SageMaker AI is now available in AWS Asia Pacific region, providing machine learning developers and data scientists with a fully managed platform to build, train, and deploy high-quality models. This milestone enables users to leverage the power of SageMaker AI's automated workflows, pre-built algorithms, and scalable infrastructure to streamline their machine learning workflows. With SageMaker AI available in AWS Asia Pacific region, developers can now quickly spin up a SageMaker notebook instance or start building models using popular frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Scikit-learn. The platform's automated workflows simplify the process of data preprocessing, model training, and hyperparameter tuning, allowing users to focus on developing high-quality models rather than managing infrastructure. In addition, SageMaker AI provides seamless integration with other AWS services, such as Amazon S3, Amazon EC2, and Amazon Aurora, enabling users to easily deploy their trained models into production-ready environments. This streamlined workflow enables organizations to accelerate the development and deployment of machine learning-powered applications, driving business innovation and growth. Amazon Bedrock introduces API keys for streamlined development, simplifying the getting started experience and accelerating generative AI development. With this launch, developers can quickly generate access credentials directly within the Amazon Bedrock console or AWS SDK without needing to manually configure IAM principles and policies. Developers can now generate short-term and long-term API keys directly from the Amazon Bedrock console or API to authenticate API calls to Amazon Bedrock models. Short-term API keys are valid for the duration of your console session, or up to 12 hours, whichever is shorter. Long-term API keys give you the flexibility to define key validity duration and manage the keys from the AWS IAM console. This new feature is available in 20 AWS regions where Amazon Bedrock is available, and others. Amazon SNS now supports sending SMS messages in the Mexico region. This enhancement enables customers to send text messages to subscribers in more than 200 countries and territories. With this launch, customers using SNS in the Mexico region can leverage AWS end-user messaging to deliver SMS messages. This development brings the total number of regions where Amazon SNS supports SMS messaging to 30. Amazon Neptune Analytics now integrates with MEM0 to provide graph-native memory for Gen AI applications. This integration enables customers to use Neptune as the graph store for memory retrieval and reasoning, allowing AI agents to access long-term memories across richly connected graphs. With this integration, users can store and query memory graphs at scale, unlocking advanced use cases where large language models need to learn from each interaction and become more personalized and effective over time. The Neptune MEM0 combination enables graph-native long-term memory for LLMs by using Neptune as an external memory store. The integration also improves response quality through multi-hop graph reasoning and supports hybrid retrieval across graph, vector, and keyword modalities. This allows AI agents to retrieve relevant information from complex graphs and respond more accurately to user queries. Oracle Database at AWS has announced general availability, expanding its networking capabilities to enable customers to easily build enterprise applications and services using Oracle Database at AWS. This milestone allows customers to seamlessly connect their Oracle Database at AWS networks with virtual private clouds and on-premises networks. Customers can now use the integration with AWS Transit Gateway to simplify connectivity at scale, AWS Cloud WAN to connect global networks, and Amazon VPC Lattice for secure service-to-service connectivity. These integrations enable customers to migrate and run production workloads on Oracle Exadata Database Service and Oracle Autonomous Database on dedicated Exadata infrastructure within AWS. Furthermore, the expanded networking capabilities also allow customers to publish their database backups to their S3 buckets with native connectivity between the ODB network and AWS services, powered by Amazon VPC Lattice. This enables private and secure access from the ODB network to Amazon S3. To maintain robust security and resource isolation, customers can now launch their Oracle Exadata database and applications in different AWS accounts while peering them for low-latency connectivity. The AWS RAM integration for cross-account peering support makes this possible. Oracle Database at AWS networking capabilities are currently available in the US East and US West AWS regions. To get started, customers can use the AWS Management Console to provision and manage their Oracle Database at AWS resources. Amazon RDS Custom now supports Cumulative Update 19 for Microsoft SQL Server 2022. This update includes performance improvements, security fixes, and bug fixes. It is available for SQL Server Developer, Web, Standard, and Enterprise editions. For more details about the improvements in this update, please review Microsoft KB 5054531 release notes. Amazon RDS Custom supports 2 licensing models, License Included and Bring Your Own Media. With Bring Your Own Media, customers can use their existing SQL Server licenses with Amazon RDS Custom for SQL Server. This update is available in all AWS regions where Amazon RDS Custom for SQL Server is available. Amazon VPC Lattice announces support for Oracle Database at AWS, enabling users to connect their applications in VPCs and on-premises to their ODB network. This support simplifies network management and provides centralized visibility across thousands of VPCs and on-premises environments. With this launch, Oracle Database at AWS resources can easily connect to AWS services, HTTP APIs, and TCP applications without the need for complex networking setup. VPC Lattice also allows users to privately and securely access Amazon S3 and Amazon Redshift from their Oracle Exadata workloads. Furthermore, ODB managed integrations enable private and secure access to Amazon S3 and Amazon Redshift, with features such as OCI managed backup of ODB databases to Amazon S3, or configuring one's own Amazon S3 backup. Additionally, the ZeroETL integration connects ODB databases to Amazon Redshift for analyzing data across multiple databases. VPC Lattice support is available in all AWS regions where Oracle Database at AWS is generally available, and users can provision Oracle Database at AWS resources using the AWS Management Console. To configure VPC Lattice resources, users can utilize the AWS CLI, SDK, or AWS Management Console. Oracle Database at AWS is now generally available, offering a joint solution from AWS and Oracle that provides access to Oracle Exadata Database Service and Oracle Autonomous Database on dedicated Exadata infrastructure within AWS data centers. This collaboration enables a unified experience with shared support, purchasing, management, and operations between the two companies. The availability of Oracle Database at AWS qualifies for both AWS commitments as well as Oracle support rewards. With this solution, you can easily migrate your Oracle Exadata database workloads, including Oracle Real Application clusters, without requiring significant modifications to databases or associated applications. Additionally, you can establish low-latency connections between AWS applications and Oracle Database at AWS. Oracle Database at AWS also enables ZeroETL integration with Amazon Redshift, allowing for near real-time analytics and machine learning on transactional data stored in the database. Furthermore, you can store both Oracle-managed backups and manually taken backups to Amazon Simple Storage Service, which provides 11 nines of durability. The solution integrates with various AWS services, including AWS IAM for authentication and authorization, Amazon CloudWatch for monitoring, AWS CloudFormation for infrastructure as code, AWS CloudTrail for governance and compliance, Amazon EventBridge for event management, and Amazon VPC Lattice for simplified connectivity to AWS services. Amazon EC2 C8G, M8G, and our 8G instances are now available in the Asia-Pacific region, specifically Singapore. These instances are powered by AWS Graviton 4 processors, which deliver up to 30% better performance compared to AWS Graviton 3-based instances. For compute-intensive workloads such as high-performance computing, batch processing, gaming, video encoding, scientific modeling, distributed analytics, CPU-based machine learning inference, and ad serving, Amazon EC2 C8G instances are built. They can handle demanding tasks that require powerful processing capabilities. In contrast, Amazon EC2 M8G instances are designed for general-purpose workloads like application servers, microservices, gaming servers, mid-size data stores, and caching fleets. These instances provide a balanced combination of compute resources and memory for diverse applications. Amazon EC2 R8G instances are ideal for memory-intensive workloads such as databases, in-memory caches, and real-time big data analytics. They excel at handling large amounts of data quickly and efficiently. All three instance types, C8G, M8G, and R8G, are built on the AWS Nitro system, which provides a secure and high-performance computing environment. By leveraging these instances, users can take advantage of the best performance and energy efficiency for a broad range of workloads running on Amazon EC2 in the Asia-Pacific region. To learn more about these new instance types, interested parties can visit the official pages for Amazon EC2 C8G instances, Amazon EC2 M8G instances, and Amazon EC2 R8G instances. The CloudWatch MCP server supports alarm-based incident response, enabling AI agents to quickly identify and diagnose issues through simple conversational interfaces. This feature also includes metric analysis and log pattern detection. In addition, the CloudWatch MCP server is compatible with CloudWatch in all AWS regions, allowing for seamless integration with this monitoring service. The Application Signals MCP server enables service health monitoring through service-level objectives, providing AI agents with a comprehensive view of application performance. It also supports automated root cause analysis using OpenTelemetry data, streamlining the troubleshooting process. This feature is available in all regions where Application Signals is available, ensuring that users can leverage its capabilities regardless of their geographic location. These MCP servers enable AI-assisted troubleshooting by providing curated sets of tools designed specifically for operational troubleshooting scenarios. By leveraging these servers, AI agents can perform complex workflows through natural language interactions, from analyzing alarm patterns and metric anomalies to investigating service health issues and querying logs and traces. AWS Parallel Computing Service is now available in the AWS Europe region. This managed service enables users to build and manage high-performance computing clusters using the Slurm Workload Manager. As a result, researchers and engineers can easily run and scale their high-performance computing workloads and build scientific and engineering models on AWS. By utilizing PCS, users can create complete, elastic environments that integrate compute, storage, networking, and visualization tools. This simplifies cluster operations by providing managed updates and built-in observability features, which helps to alleviate the burden of maintenance. With PCS, users can focus on their research and innovation without worrying about infrastructure. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.